Shoutout to Rainer Christian de la Cruz, sabi niya, shoutout to me at Golden Horse. I got you, fam. At long last, we are now at the secret toy. And this isn't just any Zodiac toy, this one is gold. We'll now be unboxing the Golden Horse. Ayan, kaway-kaway sa mga Year of the Horse, ito na ang taon nyo. And this year is the Year of the Golden Horse, yan. Sa mga gacha collectors dyan, ito ang rare pool. Year of the Horse ka kung pinanganak ka ng 1930, 1942, 1954, 1966, 1978, 1990, 2002, 2014 at ang susunod ay 2026. And here's the paper reveal. Ayun, golden na golden talaga siya, no? At ang character natin ay si Grimace. Siyempre, paper reveal din natin si Grimace. Ayan na. In 3, 2, 1. Ayun. Grimace with his cute smile. Yan. Super violet siya rito, no? At ilagay niya natin siya sa kanyang Golden Horse costume. Yan, pumasok ka na sa loob. Isipin mo yung tao na kamaskot ng Grimace tapos nagmaskot ng Golden Horse. Sobrang init sa loob. In the Chinese zodiac, the horse represents freedom, energy, and passion. People born under this sign are known for being active, adventurous, and full of life. They love movement, excitement, and exploring new things. Hindi sila napipigilan and always ready for the next adventure. Grabe, ang ganda ng shiny gold finish nito, no? This one looks premium, parang rare drop sa game, no? Galing. So kung horse zodiac ka, chances are ikaw yung pinaka-active at pinaka-adventurous sa barkada. At ito yung pinaka-antay mo na mini horoscope for the year 2026. This period may bring new adventures and exciting opportunities. Your energy and confidence can help you achieve your goals faster. And also, you might feel the urge to try something new, so just go for it. Parang tong Golden Horse ito, tigidig. Tigidig. At ang lucky advice natin is follow your passion and don't be afraid to run towards your dreams. So, there you have it. That's a McDonald's Zodiac Golden Horse toy. Super shiny, super cool, and definitely a standout in any collection. See you next time mga Toysters. Bye-bye.